Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you how I created this quick and easy hello card using the Layering Leaves stamp set. This stamp set has this beautiful font for these all-occasion images, which makes it perfect for projects like these. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with the sentiment, and I'm going to ink it up here with the pretty peacock and stamp it in the center of my basic white cardstock. I'm going to be die cutting that so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to bring in the inside panel, and I am going to simply take this little leaf image and pop it right here in the lower left hand corner just for a little pop of color. And I'm ready to die cut and assemble. Okay, I cut up my sentiment and a coordinating rectangle with the nested essential dies, and I'm going to start by adhering my sentiment onto the coordinating panel. And then I'm going to bring in my designer series paper and my panel, and I'm going to adhere that in place. Then I'm going to bring in my card front and fold it on the score line and adhere my layered panel down onto the front. I'm going to place this right in the center, slightly higher up than down from the top. There we go. And then I'm going to bring in my sentiment panel, flip it over, and add some dimensionals to the back. I want to pop this up so it has a little bit of height and shadow. And then I'm going to adhere right here onto the lower right hand side. And of course, at this point, I can either stamp a sentiment and or just set it inside my card and adhere it later when I'm ready to send. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of shine to my card, and I'm going to use the Tinsel Gems 4-pack for this. It comes in 4 colors: the Pretty Peacock, the Berry Burst, the Lemon Lime Twist, and the Blueberry Bushel. And I think I'm going to use my peacock for this. I'm simply going to pick them up and pop them around, oops, that one fell off my Take Your Pick tool, around the card front here, just for a bit of shine. Let's see, I'm going to place this one over there, and I'm going to place this last one, let's see, over here. So there you go. It's quick and easy, and I've got this lovely little card that I've made to say hello to a friend using the Layering Leaves stamp set. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.